So to whom you would tell about it, first of all? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so good evening. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. So yeah, I don't know, something went wrong with my microphone. Okay, so how was your day?
So, ma'am.
So, why?
Rain start from morning time.
You can say it is raining. You can say it is raining and the rain started since morning.
Since morning, not actually morning. 11, 12, 11.
11 a.m.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So that's great. So you don't like rains?
What, ma'am?
You don't like rain?
Yes, ma'am. I like.
Okay, you like rain. Okay. So how are your kids doing? They're all fine?
Yes, ma'am. My daughter is some preparing pasta, and my boy.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. My boy is her maths practice.
My boy is doing his maths practice.
Like my boy is doing his
His.
math.
Yeah, for boy we use his and
Yes.
for girl we use her.
Her.
Yeah, so his practice, maths practice. So that's good. You're wearing a nice color.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So today we have to think of a situation where you win a lottery.
Lottery. Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever tried to buy a ticket of lottery?
No, ma'am. I cannot
No,
buy.
never. I cannot. No, you will say I never bought.
I never bought, ma'am.
I never bought.
I
So
never.
bought is to buy. So bought is buy, bought. So I never bought.
Yes.
So, but just imagine that you bought a lottery ticket and you have won it also. And you have won 1 crore rupees.
Yes, ma'am. One story is true. Not my husband colleague told us. One man is he lived in village outside in uh, uh, capital area in Assam. So he went every day. He went to jungle and cut bamboo and wood for selling. One day he saw in market one lottery ticket shop.
One day he saw, okay, yeah.
He saw lottery ticket shop and he
Bought it.
bought one lottery ticket.
He bought one lottery ticket, okay.
And he came back her house
Came
and keep
back to his house.
came
Came
back
back
to
to
his
his
house
house
and kept in bamboo soil.
and kept it in bamboo soil.
Bamboo soil. So after 2 or 3 months, he he win the lottery.
He won.
He
Won. W-I-N is win
win.
and W-O-N is won. He won. One
won.
day he got a message that he has won, or you can say one day he won. W-O-N, won. Won.
One lottery, 1 crore.
Worth, you can say he won a lottery worth. W-O-R-T-H, worth 1 crore. Okay.
Crore. And he thinks so many things. Her mind is what I will do. A big
He
amount.
thought. Now he's not thinking. He thought. You're talking about him.
Yes.
He thought, and so many things struck his mind or came to his mind.
What is I will do big amount.
I will spend big amount.
Then he bought a bus.
What did he buy?
Bus.
Bus. Okay.
for business purpose.
Okay.
So in this, now I don't know, ma'am. Is this story is 3 or 4 hours before?
3 or 4 years.
Years. Yeah,
Sure,
yes.
yeah. Ago. This story is of 3 to 4 years ago. Yeah.
But I don't know what in this time he doing what
But I don't know what is he doing now.
now.
So we will not use this time. We will say, I don't know what is he doing now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So what he
Is
is
doing now.
doing now.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But now supposingly this happens with you. You win 1 crore rupee lottery.
Yes, ma'am.
So whom would you tell first of all?
What, ma'am?
You have won 1 crore rupee in lottery. So to whom you would tell about it first of all?
My family.
Your family. Whom in your family?
My husband and my daughter.
Your husband and your daughter. Okay, so now supposingly that money is in cash.
Yes.
You get that money in cash. So you will bring it home. So
Yes.
where would you keep it?
First, I keep. I
Will keep.
I will keep a beautiful flat.
No. I am asking you, where would you keep the money?
Money.
You have 1 crore rupee cash.
Yes.
So where will you keep the cash?
Oh, I will then I will go to bank.
Okay.
Yes.
But if you go to bank,
Yes.
they will cut 30% of it.
Yes.
So if it is 1 crore, they will take 30 lakhs from it. 30
Yes.
to 40 lakhs.
Yes. But lottery ticket is not cash, ma'am. No,
No, but I'm giving you a situation where it can be cash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if it is cash, where would you keep it?
I will go to bank or post office also.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you will go to bank. And now, what will you do with the money?
First of some money I used my children's education and
First
some
of
money.
all, no, you have to say it. Look, now you should try to make a sentence, right sentence, okay? So
Yes,
you should say, first of all, I will like to spend
I will like.
money. I will like to spend, or you will say, I will spend some money for
Money.
my children's education.
Yes.
Right? I will spend some money for my children's education. I'm not using children's with S, with apostrophe S. That means of children. We can't say children's because children is a plural. But I am using children's, that is of children or for children.
All
Right?
children.
So you will say, I will spend some money for my children's education.
Education and some money I will kept in.
I will, when we use will, we don't use the second or third form. When we use will, we use the first form, like keep, kept, kept. So what will you use with will? First
I
form. I will keep.
I will keep. I
Yeah,
will.
always. I will keep. When we use will in future, so the
Yes.
first verb form we will use. We will not use kept. We will use I will keep. Yes.
I will keep some money for health purpose or health insurance.
For health insurance. Okay, right. Then what else? You said in the beginning for flat or something?
Yes. That I will spend. No, I
Will.
will buy a flat.
Yes, I will buy a flat. So how much is the cost of a flat?
At Guwahati.
Yeah.
2 BHK, some difference areas is difference.
Yeah, that is okay. Naturally, the area's difference will make it different, but still, the flat you would like to buy, the flat you will like to buy, what is its cost?
2 BHK 60-70 lakhs.
60-70 lakhs. So you will buy a flat.
Yes.
Okay. And how much for health insurance?
Health insurance different scheme is different money.
There are different schemes. You will say there are different schemes for different policies.
Policies.
There are different schemes. Sorry, there is different money for different policies, right?
Yes.
So if you use 70 lakhs for your flat,
Yes.
then you will, how much money you will keep for your children's education?
I think 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs.
20 lakhs.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are left with just 10 lakhs.
Yes.
So what will you do of that?
Another 10 lakhs for health insurance.
For health insurance. Okay. But you will pay total cash to flat people.
What, ma'am?
You will pay the total amount 70 lakhs to flat people to buy a flat. You will not keep some money for yourself.
Myself? No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So that means you will spend the money in education and for your flat and for your health insurance.
Yes,
okay. So that's really good. And will you do some charity also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So that is so good.
My boy, I celebrate my daughters and my boy birthday. Then I went to charity, ma'am. Snehalo is there, missionaries of charity, and I celebrate there.
You celebrated. That's very good. That is very good. So Rupasri, you keep working with grammar. Okay.
Yes.
So you should read the session notes at the end where grammar is given. And if you don't understand anything, you should tell me.
Vocabulary, I always read in my book. I write. Yes.
You read in your notes, but then there is past tense, present tense. Try to apply it in your conversation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, you're doing well. You are improving every day. So keep improving, but keep learning also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Bye-bye. Bye for now.